Hi everyone, welcome to Taming Little Monsters. I am Michelle and today we are going to be making a snowman bowling game. Okay, so all you need for this craft is 10 paper cups, an orange and a black permanent marker, and a scrunched up ball of paper. So to start, you're going to draw your carrot nose and then use your black pen to draw the eyes. So of course you can use your pens to do a typical smiley snowman or even draw some funny faces. When you're ready, we're going to stack them up and start bowling. This is a great game to play with kids during the Christmas season or winter, especially if you're indoors and you can't get outside to burn off some energy. Next, all you have to do is stack your paper cups on top of each other into a giant triangle. Then take your snowball and chuck it and see how many fall down. Alright, thanks everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.